Hey gamers, welcome back to our channel where we bring you the latest tips and tricks for all your gaming needs. Today we're going to show you how to pair a new Xbox One controller to your console. Let's get started. Step 1. First, make sure your Xbox One console is powered on. You can do this by pressing the power button on the console or using your current controller. Next, turn on your new Xbox One controller by pressing the Xbox button located in the center. The button should start flashing, indicating that the controller is on but not yet connected. Now locate the pairing button on your Xbox One console. It's a small circular button located on the front of the console for the Xbox One S and Xbox One X, or on the side for the original Xbox One. Within 20 seconds of pressing the pairing button on the console, press and hold the pairing button on your controller. The button is located on the top, near the USB port. Hold it until the Xbox button starts flashing more rapidly. Wait for the Xbox button on your controller to stop flashing and stay lit. This means your controller has successfully paired with your Xbox One console. And that's it, your new Xbox One controller is now paired and ready to use. Time to jump into your favorite game and start playing. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more gaming tips and tricks.